Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to renew driver's license online in California. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in renew driver license online in California, and then open the first link. Make sure it is DMV official website. Now scroll down, choose the option renew your driver license, and now it will break down the steps for you. So here it states clearly that you may be able to renew your driver license online if you are within 90 days before or 12 months after the expiration date, or do not need to change your address or personal description, are not applying for a real ID compliant driver license or ID for the first time, and are not renewing a commercial driver license. Now, all you need to do is press on renew your driver license online, and then press on renew driver's license ID, this choice, this option. Now press on renew driver license, and now it will ask you to log in to your DMV account, or if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, and that's it. If you don't have an account, you can create an account through this link. You press on it, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.